Hello friends, it's Running Kimono. So I did go back to Walgreens to do a little bit of midweek shopping, and I found even more 90% off goodies, and I'm going to show you them up close in this video. Plus, I got this weird email this morning from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was from their site. It wasn't something fishy. But it was $5 off of anything in the store. Couple stipulations we'll talk about. But I got these little storage bins for 50 cents each after that $5 coupon. So we're just going to jog through that. It's taking place right up until Sunday the 11th. If you have a Bed Bath & Beyond account, check your emails. If not, sign up for an account. You probably won't get this $5 coupon. But in the future, you might also be able to score something maybe cheap or like free. Okay, so the first store that we're at today is Walgreens, and yesterday, which was Tuesday the 6th, my goodness gracious, it was the first day of the 90% off summer fun in the sun clearance, whatever's in this photo, that sort of stuff, like pools, floats, chalk. I even found lighters, and I still found more today because nobody's finding them in the store. But if you want to check out this video, I have a ton of like visuals in this specific video. And if your store's still marked at 70, you might score. But what I'm noticing, I visited a couple stores today. It's like a bomb went off. There's nothing left. Like people really went hard for this. But I still found some stuff today, so go figure. Okay, so I had one of these boosters on a store card, my husband's, and I didn't want it to go to waste because if you don't use them every week, you tend not to get boosters for a couple weeks. So I have this loaded plus the 5 off of 3, which is expiring on Saturday. So use it or lose it. And for this little dealio, I kind of went in a different path because I'm always like, ole, ole, ole. I grabbed 3 of the Captain Old Spice. Christmas is right around the corner. This is my father-in-law's jam. He loves Old Spice. So, yes, I will provide this for him for the holidays. Alternatively, if you're like, I do not like that Old Spice to smell like a captain, they have these ones. I'm not sure if any of them exfoliate, but they're a different color. And then also you can grab, possibly if you want the Olay body wash, the liquid, or alternatively the bar soap. I know a lot of you love bar soap. Just to show you the tag, $7, that's the sales price, and then $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3. Not a store register reward, they changed it. So here's the quick deal that I did. I bought 3 of these Old Spice for $21. I had my booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend $20, plus that 1 digital of 5 off of 3. With my debit card, I paid $16 out of pocket. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash, so it makes it $6 for the 3 or $2 per Old Spice. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. I had absolutely every single intention to try to do the Dawn Power Wash deal, but the problem that I'm facing, guys, like every store I would go to, I would try and look for some power wash and like nothing. Because to use that BOGO free, you need at least 2, and like every store, I found 1 in one store, but every other store had nothing. So I sadly couldn't do it. Sorry, guys. I tried. People went hard on this deal. Now, I did find more clearance, summer fun in the sun stuff that hit clearance yesterday, which was the 6th. This bag of Buncho Balloons by Zuru was 99 cents. The original price for this is $9.99. They're self-sealing water balloons, so you just attach the hose and then you get like 100 balloons in 60 seconds. So a bit of novelty there just to see that. And here is the UPC. And this was not out at this one store yesterday, but then all of a sudden this morning it magically appeared. So I don't know if it was like a summer fun in the sun miracle or what, but it was there. Also, in a regular display with the lighters, this guy was still out there. So I got a couple more because I really love candles. The original price point, I think, was $12.99, and I got it for $1.09. Just to show you, see how it says Candle Edition? So any ones with the word Candle Edition, I think it's part of Summer Fun in the Sun. So here is the UPC as well. I know some people at certain stores are like, nothing for me. But I was able to find a bunch, and so I'm really happy I got more today. I basically bought $10 of merchandise, the balloons, and a couple of these to get me to $10 of Walgreens cash, and that's what I used to pay it down, so I was paying very little out of pocket. Okay, friends, the final store that we have is Bed Bath & Beyond. I got this email coupon this morning and I was like, what is this all about? $5 off any purchase of $5 or more. It's valid through the 11th, so today is the first official day. I've never seen a coupon like this either. It does not include clearance items, and it must be done in store. You cannot do this online, so just to note that. And I used it today in store. No problems, no issues. Now, Bed Bath & Beyond does have items in their Simply Essential line, so it's basically their cheaper line. A lot of the items are exactly $5, so they have this little container. You can look around and maybe find some cooking utensils or something at $5 and you get a free item. Alternatively, if you are all about, pumpkins and, just fun fall stuff or Halloween, they do have a lot of stuff out. Not a lot of stuff on the cheap, but something, for example, like this little pumpkin. I think it's ceramic and it's $10, so it would be $5 with that coupon. The coupon is of a one-time use as well, so it's a unique barcode. I just took a screenshot. The cashier scanned it from my phone. Super easy. If you're not part of the Bed Bath & Beyond email or have an account, sign up a couple people in your family, because if these things start popping, it's totally worth getting if you have a Bed Bath & Beyond in your town. This cute little pumpkin mug, oh my gosh, would be $1. Sorry I didn't take a larger photo, but they had little cauldrons for Halloween as well. I thought the pumpkin one, it just touched me in a certain way. I thought it was so cute. And then these little guys, I don't even know if this is part of fall or magic mushroom season or what, but it would be $3 after that $5. I mean, you could just put this in your kitchen all year long. It's so adorable. And then this is what I got. It's the Simply Essential, which is their cheaper line, found towards the back of the store. These are $6. However, there's a little thing that says sale, and this sale is valid till like October the 30th. So these are $3. So grabbing two of them, that is exactly $6. Subtracting that $5, I paid $1 plus tax, which is really fantastic. I got to tell you, a lot of these, it's like a collapsible tote. If you have a 9x9 to put them in for storage, it's really fantastic. And I tend to like to use these collapsible bins for like gifts, even for Christmas. I know the pink isn't a Christmas gift, but throw a little snowman or a little something there and a bunch of stockpile goodies. I mean, that's a really cheap container to put a lot of goods. So this was the cutest one I could find, the chevrons with the pink and red. And just to show you at the cash, the containers initially rang up for full price, so they were $6 each. And then this weird Bed Bath & Beyond math happened. You have to punch in your phone number, and then the cashier will scan the barcode off of your phone from the coupon, and then you are in business to get something really for on the cheap. So if you are part of Bed Bath & Beyond, their email, you get emails from them. I would definitely look, because I got this email first thing this morning, and like you could get something totally for free. And maybe I'm one of the first people to get this coupon. The cashier had no idea. She's like, I've never seen anything like this. But possibly, if they send one out to you sporadically or whatever, it's like for some free stuff if you have a Bed Bath & Beyond in your town. Like, how nice is this? Okay, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.